Forget your vote. The 2026 election has already been decided behind closed doors. And it wasn't decided by you. It was decided by Wall Street giants, who have just moved the largest amount of silent money in recent history. While the media distracts you with empty debates and recycled political theater, the real owners of the game have already chosen the winners. And the worst part, the exact place where they are pouring billions of dollars right now is a flashing red warning sign for your bank account over the next 18 months. If you don't understand this move today, you will pay the price tomorrow. Pay very close attention. Whenever an election approaches, smart money doesn't bet on who is going to win. It buys the entire board. But this time, something broke. In the last 30 days, there has been a massive liquidation in sectors everyone believed were 100% safe. You think they are buying the same old technology stocks? Wrong. They are running away from them. Why? Because they know something they are not telling you on television. There is a hidden pattern. Follow the trail of institutional money, and you will see a coordinated, aggressive movement pulling capital out of retail investors and the middle class straight into a single vault. You're probably asking yourself, where are these trillions going? I'm about to reveal the exact asset class they are accumulating in less than a minute. But first, you need to understand the trap. Wall Street's play for 2026 is not about who will sit in the presidential chair. It's about who controls the framework of the new economy. They are betting on paralysis. They know the next political cycle will bring brutal regulations, supply chain bottlenecks, and a kind of invisible inflation that doesn't disappear with campaign promises. So what do? They buy the only things that cannot be canceled, regulated out of existence, or destroyed by a simple change in government. Real, tangible assets, energy grids, heavy data infrastructure, and defense commodities. This is not about left or right. It is about raw, absolute control. Billionaires are rapidly liquidating their positions in companies that depend on the average consumer because they quietly know that the average consumer is about to break. Instead, they are shifting everything into the exact sectors the government will be forced to buy from, no matter who wins the election. They have just ensured that in 2026, whoever takes power will have to sign checks directly to them. The trap is set. The money has already moved. The only question left is this: will you remain a pawn on their board, or will you position your money exactly where they just placed theirs?